Procedure for manufacturing windows and doors. 1. Profile inspection. Inspect the surface coating of each aluminum UPVC profile. Ensure there are no scratches, dents, or coating defects. Only profiles that pass inspection proceed to production. 2. Cutting of profiles. Cut the profiles to the required lengths using a semi-automatic double-head cutting machine. Verify dimensions against the production drawings. Label each cut piece for traceability. 3. Milling and machining. Perform all necessary milling and machining operations for handle slots, lock placements, corner cleats, and drainage holes. Use CNC milling machines or manual readers as per design specifications. 4. Insertion of corner brackets and cleats. Insert corner brackets and cleats into the prepared slots. Ensure proper alignment and fit before final tightening. 5. Hinge backplate installation. Insert hinge backplates into the designated profile sections. Secure them to ensure strength for hinge support. 6. Sealant application. Apply structural sealant at every joint and corner before assembly. Ensure continuous coverage to avoid air or water leakage. 7. Frame assembly. Assemble the cut profiles together. Tighten all screws for corner brackets and cleats using torque-controlled tools. Check frame squareness and overall dimensions. Eight. Hardware installation. Install handles, locks, and other functional hardware. Test for smooth operation and proper alignment. 9. Insulation foam application. Apply insulation foam inside the hollow chambers of the frame. This prevents heat transfer, condensation, and noise infiltration. Apply rubber gaskets all around the frame. Ensure continuous sealing without gaps or overlaps. (12) Wrapping and dispatch. 11. Roller and hinge installation. Install rollers for sliding systems and hinges for casement door systems. Adjust hardware for smooth movement and proper alignment. Quality control checkpoints. Before dispatch, final inspection and packaging.